Look at that fucking mountain. Oh, look, a monk. Imagine if I catch one up there now and end up in that fucking bamboo bush over there. Hold this, bro. Hold this. Bone structure of a fucking quail. See the kid in the seat. Major University. You know, time to scare some students. Woo! Motherfucker! Oh shit! Oh! 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 Alright guys, here we go. I hope this looks okay right now. I've got this homemade custom ND filter on. Hopefully it's good. It's a really old one. I've been throwing it around the house, but we're gonna see how good these wheelies look. Little one to warm up. Fucking hell, this bike is too much fun. This should be illegal. Oh my god. Dickhead alert, fam. I feel like I'm on safari with all this construction going on. And these Bridgestone S22s are feeling scrumptious. Woo! Woohoo! I'm telling you right now, anyone that has 1000cc, anyone that has a big ass bike and they buy all the accessories for it and they think they're sick, yeah, just send them this video, please. Show them that you do not need 1000cc. Come on, man, come on. I know the motor fam know, but there's enough people out there that don't know shit. Oh, look, a monk. So if you're watching this video and you're not living in Thailand, you probably aren't aware of there's this burning fields and shit period of the year, and yes, that's the technical name, and there is your fucking evidence, bruv. That fucking dickhead. But you can kind of see smoke everywhere. Today's actually a bad day. And yeah, no wonder, right? Hold this, bro, hold this. This bike is insane. It's just like, it's just more than oh, you're fucking lost for words. This is just so fast. It's so oh fucking hell. Bone structure of a fucking quail. Little fucker. So we're in the quiet, peaceful town of Prow. And best believe it ain't gonna be quiet for long. That one counted. Fucking bouncy as shit. Oh, there's no way. It's so fucking steep. Imagine if I catch one up there and I'd end up in that fucking bamboo bush over there. Oh man, is this guy high? He definitely is high. Fucking hell. I swear you're not allowed to have like more than the same height as your own vehicle. Bro, you got like the same height as like 5 vehicles, man. Oh, look at the view. The road's twisting there, it's coming back, and then it's going right there and all the way up the mountain. Views for days. Views for days. Look at that fucking mountain. Well, I would say I'm at least on 20, maybe pushing 25 wheelies right now. I'm trying to go for 50. Let's see if I can do that. Just drove past the school, literally on the mountain. Imagine going to a school here, just like literally perched, like say on this corner. Because that's what it was back there. It's insane. It's just such a beautiful country. Woo, that's a view, boy. Damn, the way the shadows on there. Oh. Oh, this is a road, you know. Damn. Fucking hell. Oh my days. This is a fucking road. Oh shit. Oh. I just got you know when you're on a roller coaster and you like lose your kind of like center of gravity, like your stomach goes. I just had it on the road then. I just had it on the road. Oh, these roads are insane. Oh my god, totally gone. My stomach was likeไปฝางครับใช่ครับเชียงใหม่ครับใช่ครับใช่ครับไปตรงนู้นไปไหนครับอ๋อครับโอเคโชคดีนะ Oh, what a nice day. These views are freaking insane. Look at them. Oh shit, sorry, I see that fucking, the back's fucking getting loose on me there. Look at the fucking mountain. Woo! Motherfucker! The gear was running out. Oh shit, that's my foot. Gonna reach supersonic speeds. Oh shit! Third gear, you know. Here we go, here we go. Oh, that was a harder one. Got it though. Just about. Oh my god. Oh, give me a new diaper, cause I think I shot myself. Okay, I'd say that's my last one. Oh shit! But it's been a fucking day. I'm gonna head home, I'm gonna chill out. I hope you enjoyed the 50 wheelie day video. That's the number I went for, and I reckon I kinda hit that. I feel pretty good with that. I probably won't get any money for this video, putting my life on the line and shit. So if you want to support the channel more than just watching this video, please click in the description below to my store where I sell Motoman t-shirts, mirrors, whatever. Yeah man, or you know, just keep replaying the vid, that works too. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I'm gonna go get some food now, and stay safe, don't ride like me. Oh my god, because this has been a full motofuckery dickhead day. And this bike, man, what a machine. Tell you what, Pikachu most definitely agrees. Alright guys, see you in the next one. Motoman out. Wow, pure wheel spin. You see the kid in the seat. You see, wheelies spread the happiness. That's the moral of this video. I'm telling you, there's just something like when you do a little wheelie, give a little high five to someone in the car and they're just smiling. There's something special, man. Special energy, man. Oh, you can be like a consultant, you can be like a mathematician, bruv, but it brings out your inner child, man.